Are you ready to get your life together for 2024? Is the chaos of daily routines overwhelming you? Picture your life like a jigsaw puzzle with its pieces scattered everywhere. You're trying to fit them together, but it's like trying to herd cats. Confusing, right? Imagine how much easier it'd be if we could organize these pieces, these aspects of our lives, into a coherent, harmonious picture. A necessity not just for sanity's sake, but for better productivity and peace too. Stay tuned to discover a step-by-step guide to organize your life for the better. Welcome back to SmartLife Solutions, your one-stop channel for all things organization and productivity. If you're new here, I'm your guide on this journey towards a more structured, manageable life. We believe that every problem, no matter how chaotic it seems, has a solution. And we're here to help you find it. If you feel like your life's a jigsaw puzzle with pieces scattered all over the place, you're in the right place. We're all about turning that chaos into a beautiful, complete picture. So buckle up and let's dive into our step-by-step guide to organize your life better. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and you've already taken yours by being here. Let's embark on this adventure together. It's time to accept that life can sometimes resemble a jigsaw puzzle with scattered pieces. You know, when you first open the box and all those tiny, chaotic pieces tumble out? That's life. One minute everything is neatly packed away, and the next you're knee-deep in 1,000 puzzle pieces with no idea where to start. Think of it like your sock drawer after laundry day. You have a mountain of mismatched socks, and the only pair you can find are the Christmas ones with the dancing reindeer. Not exactly the professional look you were going for, right? Life, much like that sock drawer, can get disorganized pretty quickly. Things pile up, and before you know it, you're wading through a sea of chaos, desperately searching for some semblance of order. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, or in our case, a matching sock in the laundry basket. But don't worry, we have the perfect plan to help you put those pieces back together. If you've watched this video up to this point, it means you're serious about organizing your life for 2024. And we're here to help you do exactly that. But remember, just like in life, your actions here on YouTube can make a big difference. So, if you're finding our content useful, we encourage you to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below. Your engagement not only helps our community grow, but it also boosts the video in the YouTube algorithm, allowing us to create more helpful content like this one. It's a small action on your part, but its impact is massive. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more beneficial content for you. So let's embark on this journey of life organization together. Thank you. Imagine having a blueprint, a map to navigate through the maze of life. It's not a fantasy, my friends, but a tangible tool you can utilize to make sense of the chaos, to find order in the disorder. This is the concept of life organization. Think of life organization as the GPS system for your life's journey. Just as you wouldn't embark on a road trip without a map, you shouldn't venture into the world without a clear plan. It's like trying to assemble a complicated piece of furniture without the instructions. Sure, you might end up with something that vaguely resembles a bookshelf, but will it hold your books or will it collapse at the slightest touch? The benefits of having a structured plan are numerous. For one, it gives you a sense of control. Instead of feeling like a ship in a storm, tossed about by the waves of uncertainty, you become the captain of your vessel, steering it towards your desired destination. It reduces stress, as you're not constantly scrambling to put out fires, but instead you're preventing them from starting in the first place. Furthermore, setting goals can provide direction and purpose. It's like shining a spotlight on the path ahead, illuminating the way. Without goals, we're like a ship without a compass, aimlessly drifting at sea. But with goals, we have a destination in mind, a beacon to guide us. And it's not just about reaching the end goal, it's about the journey. Each small victory brings a sense of accomplishment and propels us forward. Remember, life organization is not about creating a rigid, inflexible plan. It's about providing a framework, a roadmap that you can adjust and adapt as you go along. It's about setting a course, but being open to detours and unexpected adventures along the way. So grab your planner, your calendar, your digital tools, whatever works best for you. Start mapping out your journey, set your goals, big and small, organize your time, your resources, your energy. A well-organized life is not a distant dream, but a realistic goal that you can achieve. Now that we have our blueprint, it's time to roll up our sleeves and start building. Imagine life as a grand construction project, and you are the architect and the builder. The first step to start organizing your life is about setting priorities. It's like choosing the bricks for your construction project. Deciding what is important to you is crucial. Is it your career, your family, or your personal growth. These are the bricks that will form the foundation of your organized life. Next, we move on to managing time effectively. Think of time as the cement that holds the bricks together. Are you spending your cement wisely, or are you letting it spill over without any purpose? Effective time management is about using your cement judiciously. Plan your day, week, and month. Allocate time for each task and stick to your schedule. Now let's talk about maintaining a routine. A routine is like the scaffolding that supports the construction. It provides structure and stability. Having a regular routine can help you stay focused and productive. Whether it's waking up early, setting aside time for exercise, or setting a specific time for work and relaxation, a routine is a secret ingredient for an organized life. Finally, decluttering. The act of removing unnecessary items from an overcrowded space. It's like getting rid of the rubble and debris from your construction site. Decluttering is not just about your physical space, it's also about decluttering your mind. Get rid of toxic thoughts, let go of past mistakes, and focus on the present and the future. Each step we discussed is not just a task to be checked off a list, it's a habit to be cultivated, a lifestyle to be adopted. It's about building a life brick by brick, one day at a time. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your organized life. But every step you take is a step closer to your goal. Now, let's quickly recap what we have learned today. We kicked things off with the wake-up call, that jarring realization that life feels like a complicated jigsaw puzzle with a few pieces missing. We acknowledge that, like a messy closet, life can sometimes become cluttered and disorganized. Then we dove into the reality check. Remember, we likened it to peering into a mirror and honestly assessing what you see. We agreed that the first step to getting organized is admitting that there's room for improvement. It's like acknowledging that your garden needs a good weeding before you can plant new seeds. Next, we moved on to the blueprint. We emphasized how important it is to have a plan, much like a treasure map guiding you to the gold. We talked about setting clear, achievable goals and breaking them down into manageable steps. It's like planning a road trip. You need to know your destination and the route to get there. Then we discussed the execution. We compared it to a chef following a recipe. You've got your ingredients, that's your plan, now it's time to cook. This is where you put your plan into action, step by step, until your life starts looking like that gourmet meal you've been envisioning. So, are you ready to embrace an organized life in 2024? The power is in your hands. Let's make it happen together. Before we wrap things up, we'd like to take a moment to say, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel, SmartLife Solutions. We are committed to providing regular content on organization and productivity, designed to help you navigate life's challenges with better ease. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos, ensuring you never miss out on our practical tips and insights. Your support also helps us continue to create and share quality content. So, click that subscribe button and join the SmartLife Solutions community today. We look forward to journeying with you as you embrace an organized life in 2024. Thank you.